Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering a certified cable and a reliable 5V/2A adapter. Poor cables hide the problem. Once done, remove both earbuds and inspect the charging port under good light. Lint or corrosion blocks contacts and prevents current flow. Make sure pins in the port and on the cable are straight. A bent pin interrupts charging. If you see dirt, use a dry anti-static brush or a wooden toothpick gently to clear it, because cleaning restores contact without shorting components. You next perform a reset sequence. Close the lid, hold the case button for the beats prescribed time, then reopen and observe the LED. Once done, test several power sources, a wall adapter, a USB port on a computer, and a portable charger, because some sources supply insufficient current. Make sure to test with the same certified cable each time to isolate variables. Pay attention to LED colors and blink patterns. They explain whether the case is receiving power, in reset, or reporting. You finish by doing a controlled recovery. Allow the case to fully drain, then charge it uninterrupted for 2 to 3 hours with a known good adapter. If the indicator never lights or the case heats abnormally, make sure you documented LED behavior and then contact Beats support or an authorized repair center, because the internal battery or charge controller may have failed. As a last troubleshooting tip, if your model supports Qi, try a wireless charger. A successful wireless charge narrows the fault to the port or cable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.